Hello, good day. In this video, we're going to take a look at historical reporting in Master Data Hub. You're going to start off by making sure that you're logged into Hub as usual. And we're going to head on over to the reporting dropdown and select historical. Once we do that, it'll bring us to this page where we can start adding report data. You can select by what cloud, what account, if you have that option. Maybe you've got more than one account you work with. You can also narrow by repository if your specific requirement for your report requires you to look and drill down to maybe one repository or a specific model. In this situation, we're going to do every repository and model that we have. So our next step is to add report data. We do that by selecting this box here. It brings up the different fields that we can select in order to start building our report. See the options, pretty self-explanatory: golden records, quarantine, inbound, outbound, completed transactions, and data quality. We want to look at, for example, what does our inbound data look like? What do we have for entities being submitted? We can select entities submitted, as so. We would click apply. Then we'll get a nice graph. We're going to look at a month worth of data. Of course, you can set a custom range if you want, but a month will work for us in this situation. You can see we also include min, max, median, mean. Right around 1,100,000. It's a small number. Sorry, I can't read that. So this tells us, it shows us some activity, right? And that can be valuable for a variety of reasons. Maybe we're interested in seeing what our use is. But if we pair it with some other data, we can get some useful insights. And in this situation, let's try and take a look and see, out of these records, how many have no change? And this might be important if we wanted to understand our utilization, improve performance, or something of that nature. Out of all of these records that are inbound, how many of them are resulting in no change to the record? We would go to completed transactions and filter for change to no change to record, hit apply. Now we can see them compared or juxtaposed to one another on the graph. You can see the spikes match up as you might expect. You can draw some conclusions based off of this representation here. It is interesting to see that our total entity count for, it looks like the 29th, it's hard to draw down exactly there, but it looks like right around the 29th, we had a spike here of 1.5 million records there inbound, and roughly a little less than, let's say 2/3 of them have no change to the record. So we might want to consider in this situation what exactly we're doing with our data. Do we really need to send all those additional records if we know that we're not going to make any change to it? How exactly are we performing our work with Hub here? And there's a variety of other ways that you can look at historical reporting, of course, but this is just a simple example to demonstrate the utility of taking a look at what you've been doing with your data. I hope that this has been helpful, and enjoy working with historical reporting moving forward to understand more about what your usage looks like and what your data looks like in Master Data Hub. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.